Commercial garage door repair in Houston. Greater Houston's expanding commercial landscape includes increasing requirements for commercial overhead garage doors. Whether your business is constructing a new building or renovating an existing space, garage doors can be a critical part of your project. Houston Overhead Garage Door LLC's experience and expertise can help ensure that your commercial garage door service needs are met in a timely and cost-effective manner. Our complete range of garage door-related services includes general garage services, electronic garage door services, roll-up garage door services, commercial garage door installation. When you call Houston Overhead Garage Door LLC, you will speak with a garage door expert who will be able to answer all of your questions and address any concerns you may have. We offer competitive rates on all of our services and are fully licensed and insured. The quote you receive from Houston Overhead Garage Door is the only price you will pay, and we never tag on any hidden fees or add-on costs during the service. For a free consultation regarding any of our garage door services or installing a new garage door, please call Houston Overhead Garage Door LLC at 713-359-6404.